If they have a restroom, I'll just go in there and change pants.
Yeah.
What if Boulder Falls is actual falls, or if it's the name of a city?
I don't know.
Let's say 1,000 feet if it's the name of a city.
Yeah, now